Slow progress is better than no progress.
Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello friends, welcome to Abundant Stock Advisors. For many such amazing videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. And before we start, I wish to tell you that you can download 36 life-changing training ebooks related to overall finance and abundance absolutely free from our website. These books will ensure success in the three most important pillars of your life, that is health, wealth and relationships. The book titles and the download link can be found in the video description below. Now let's come to the topic. How to generate buy-sell signal using moving averages. In this topic, you will learn the most efficient technical indicators used in technical analysis, that is moving average and moving average crossover. Yes, you can generate buy-sell decisions very easily using this indicator. So in this topic, we will study this indicator in detail with some live case studies that will help you understand how this indicator is exactly used. And towards the end of the topic, we will give you a final strategy which is tried and tested that will make you an expert at using this indicator. So stay tuned. Moving average represents the average price of a stock over a certain period of time. Consider the daily chart for SBI with a sample of 50-day moving average plotted. If you plot a 50-day moving average on a chart, it means that each point on the moving average line represents the average price of the stock in the past 50 days. So let's say the stock has a current market price of rupees 120 and the 50-day moving average is rupees 100. Then it means that the average price of the stock in the past 50 trading days was rupees 100. Same is true for 100-day moving average, 200-day moving average and so on. Now it can be observed from the chart that the 50-day moving average moves along with the stock price. It can also be seen that whenever price moves away from the moving average, either above the moving average or below the moving average, it is attracted back to the moving average like a magnet. This attraction is a very important concept that we will see soon. Now let's see how we can use moving averages for trend analysis and for taking our buy-sell decisions. To understand this, we must first understand how multiple moving averages can be plotted on a chart. So consider the chart of SBI with 50-day and 100-day moving averages both plotted on the chart. When multiple moving averages are moving directionless and making a zigzag pattern, it shows that the stock is consolidating. It's moving sideways and we must stay away from it. So observe that from 18 September 2013 till 1st April 2014, the moving averages are in the zigzag pattern and not moving in the same direction. This is a clear indication to us that we should go in the wait and watch mode and not buy this stock for now. On the other hand, when the moving averages are moving in the same direction clearly, it represents a clear trend for the stock. So between March 2015 and 2016, both of the moving averages are moving in the same direction without any zigzag pattern, representing a clear downtrend and telling us to stay away from the stock or sell the stock. Similarly, uptrend is being represented by moving averages seen between June 2016 and August 2017, telling us to think of buying the stock. So it's very easy to identify a trend using moving averages. Now let's see how we can generate a buy or a sell signal using moving averages even more accurately. Friends, using moving average crossovers. The moving average crossover is an important and efficient signal generated by all these moving averages. So consider the chart of SBI where we have plotted 50-day and 100-day moving averages. Now in the chart after 10th April 2014, we can see that the 50-day moving average crossed or moved above the 100-day moving average. So if short-term moving average moves above the long-term moving average, it indicates that the short-term sentiments is bullish and that the stock price will move higher from here and we could buy the stock. So as predicted, after the crossover on 10th April, the stock moved higher. It rallied from 170 till 340 rupees. But the price reversed soon after 16th March 2015. Here 50-day moving average crossed below the 100-day moving average, which generated a bearish signal. This crossover told us that the stock could fall from here and we should be selling the stock. So as predicted, after the crossover, the stock fell from rupees 300 levels till rupees 150. A bullish signal again was observed after 9th May 2016, where 50-day moving average crossed above the 100-day moving average. This generated a clear buy signal for us again. And after the signal, the stock rallied from there on. Now what happens when you miss a chance to buy a stock on the same day when a positive moving average crossover happened? You can enter the trade at pullbacks with the help of moving averages. The concept is that when a stock is trending upwards, it just doesn't go up every day. It goes up for some days, pulls back to its moving average, and then it resumes its rally again. The pullback becomes a great opportunity for people to enter into the stock if they have missed the initial signal. So let's consider the same example of SBI. A buy signal was generated on 10th April at 170 rupees when a 50-day moving average crossed above 100-day moving average. Now let's say you missed the trade on 10th April and the stock rallied till 340. Now, where could you have entered into this stock when it was rallying from 170 to 340? During a pullback. So as seen in the chart, the pullback happened on 14th August 2014, where the price pulled back to the 50-day moving average and came to rupees 236 levels. Another occasion came when you missed buying the stock at a positive crossover at rupees 187. Again, before the stock rallied back to its peak price, it gave a buying opportunity at a pullback price of 240 rupees. So this way, moving average and crossover analysis can also help you enter into trades that you have missed when a stock was rallying. So friends, to conclude, moving average crossovers are high probable trades and generate profits when the stock is trending. Moving averages also help you understand where pullbacks can happen so that you can enter into a trade in case you have missed it initially. Now, a strategy from our experience, very important. So as a general rule, for long-term investments of more than say 2 years, you should consider the relationship between 100-day and 200-day moving averages. And for short-term investments from 3 months to 2 years, the relationship between 50-day and 100-day moving averages should be considered. Friends, it's always advisable to not rely on a single indicator for your investments. You should always tally and confirm your decisions by studying and analyzing a lot of other indicators as well. So abundant stock advisors, we always follow this protocol. In fact, we also study the stock fundamentally and then make a very calculated decision. So friends, you need to be an expert at this. Your experience, your judgment, your timing of studying the economy, the overall health of that entire sector, friends, all of these, they play a very important role. So always study the stock in totality, friends, and then take a decision. We are confident from today that in the coming times, you're all set to become a shrewd and a money-making investor. With this topic, you have just made a very good start. Now, some motivation. Slow progress is better than no progress. Friends, if you have 1 lakh rupees to invest in the markets, then start with investing just 5,000 rupees. Take small steps and keep moving forward. Get your feet wet by playing with the small amount. Lessons learned after a heavy loss are too expensive. So the point is, make a start. Slow progress is always better than just standing and thinking and doing nothing. Friends, just to remind you again, there are those amazing 36 life-changing training ebooks waiting to be downloaded absolutely free of cost from our website. The book titles and the descriptions can be found in the video description below. For many such amazing videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. If this video has added value in your life, please like and share. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section and we will surely reply. Thank you. Jai Hind.